Hello students, today I am going to start class 9th mathematics and the name of the chapter is Heron's formula. In this chapter you are going to find the perimeter and area of the different type of the triangles. In the previous classes in class 6th, 7th and 8th you learned how to find the area of the different kind of the triangles by using the formula half into base into height. So here we are using one more important formula, that is Heron's formula. With the help of that Heron's formula we can calculate the area of triangle and perimeter of the triangle. Let's start the chapter with some basic laws and basic concept. First one, introduction. In earlier classes you have studied to find an area and perimeter of triangle. Second one, perimeter is the sum of all sides of a given triangle and area is equal to the total portion covered in a triangle. So first you need to understand the concept of area and perimeter. What is the meaning of area and what is the meaning of perimeter? Area is the space which is covered by the line segment. If a closed figure is there, means whether it may be square or rectangle or quadrilateral or pentagon or circle or triangle, whatever it may be, if a closed figure is enclosed by line segment or curves, the interior part of the figures is called as a area. For example, here you are observing some of the diagrams. First one is square and second and third are two circles. Here the interior, this part, the interior whole, this part we are going to be considered as a area of the given quadrilateral because it has four sides. The four-sided figure we call it as a quadrilateral, right? Next one, the area which is enclosed by this curved circle or curved lines, this area is called as a area of the circle. This is also area of the circle. So area is nothing but area is the amount of amount of space of a flat shape takes up on a plane. Means the total interior space of the figure which is bounded in the interior part of the closed figure. Clear? So this is the area of the given figures, whether the area it may be for quadrilaterals or squares or rectangles or triangles or pentagons. We are using different kind of the formulas for different shape. For example, area of square is side into side, area of circle is pi r square, area of rectangle is length into breadth, area of parallelogram is again base into height. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So these are the sum of the formulas we are using for particular figures. So area is nothing but it is a space enclosed between the boundaries of the figure. Okay, let's see the next one, that is perimeter. So perimeter is the boundary of the given figure. Perimeter is the border line or boundary of the given figure. So border or boundary of the given figure means what? If here you are observing in the display, it is a four-sided figure and it is in the shape of rectangle. So here four sides are there. The sum of all these four sides, the sum of the length of all these four sides, we call it as a perimeter. Perimeter means the length of the boundaries of the particular given figure, whether the given figure it may be pentagon or hexagon or heptagon or quadrilateral or circle. For that perimeter also we are using different formulas for different figures. For example, for rectangle we are using 2 into L plus B. For square we are using 2 pi, sorry, for square we are using 4 into side, because in square all four sides are equal, no? So just we are multiplying one side, length of the one side of the square with 4. It means we are getting the total perimeter of the square, and the perimeter or circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. In that r is the radius of circle. So see the definition of perimeter: the sum of the length of all sides of the polygon. The sum of the length of the all sides of the polygon is called as a perimeter. Whether the polygon it may be triangle or rectangle or pentagon, hexagon, whatever it may be, we need to add the total sum of the total sum of the all the sides length. Okay, so this is the perimeter. Next one, types of the triangles, because in this chapter we are finding the area of triangles. For different kind of the triangles we are going to find the area of the different kind of the triangles. So the triangle we are classifying on the basis of 2 points. First one, on the basis of sides we are classifying as a 3 triangles. On the basis of angles also we are classifying 3 triangles. So here some of the types of the triangles are given. First one is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means what? In that triangle all 3 sides are equal. In any triangle if 3 sides are equal means that is equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, in isosceles triangle, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? In any triangle if two sides are equal, then that is called as isosceles triangle. And third one is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means in triangle if one angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is called as a right angle triangle. And fourth one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means the all 3 sides are having different length. Okay, so these are the 4 types of the triangles. Let's see some example before going to discuss the exercise question. Take some of the examples. We'll get the ideas how to find the perimeter and how to find the area of the given triangles. See the first question. Find the area of an equilateral triangle with sides 10 centimeter. If it is equilateral triangle means all 3 sides are obviously equal. So what is that formula? Here we can find the height of the triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem we need to find the height of the triangle, right? So here the height of the triangle is 5 root 3. 5 root 3. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle. This is A, B, C, right? And consider that as point is D. So how you can write the Pythagoras theorem? What is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, in the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse which is equal to the sum of square of other 2 sides of the right angle triangle. It means if we are considering this ABD, ABD is a right angle triangle. In that, which one is the hypotenuse? AB. So AB square, which is equal to BD square plus AD square. So square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides. In that, AB square is already 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 10 square is 100. 10 square is 100, which is equal to, here BD length is given, that is 5 centimeters. So BD is equal to 5 centimeters. 5 square is 25, plus we don't know the height of the triangle, so write as it is AD square. So just subtract 25 from 100, what you will get? 75, which is equal to AD square. Then now AD is equal to, so 75 can also be written as 25 into 3. In that, root 25 is a perfect square number, therefore 5 root 3 is the height of the triangle. Here 5 root 3. If 5 root 3 is the height of the triangle, means now find the area of the triangle by using the formula half into base into height. Here half into base into height. We already know the base of the triangle and height of the triangle. So once we know the height and base of the triangle, we can directly use the formula half into base into height. So half into, what is the base of the triangle? Base length is 10 centimeter and height of the triangle is 5 root 3. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 ones are 2 5s are, now 5 5s are 25 root 3 centimeter square is the area of first triangle. Okay, let's see the second example. Area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle. Find out the area of an isosceles triangle whose two sides are 5 centimeter and the unequal side is 8 centimeter. Here 5 sides, two sides are equal in isosceles triangle. If in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then that triangle is called as a isosceles triangle, right? So here two sides are equal already, and a base of the triangle is 8 centimeter, that is unequal side, right? Here height can be found by using the Pythagoras theorem. Same formula what were considered in the previous slide. Similarly, take the four vertices of the triangle A, B, C and D. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. So how you can find, or how you can write the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle? Same, hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is AB is the hypotenuse and remaining two are the two sides of the right angle triangle. So AB square, which is equal to BD square plus AD square. In that, we already know the hypotenuse length, so 5 square, which is equal to BD length is 4 centimeter, it means 4 square, plus write AD as it is. If AD is equal to 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16, so 25 minus 16 is nothing but 9, right? Therefore AD is equal to 9 centimeter. If AD is equal to 9 centimeter, AD square is equal to 9 centimeter, means AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Square root of 9 is 3 centimeter. Therefore height of this triangle is 3 centimeter. Now we know the base and height of the triangle, so directly use the formula half into base into height. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are 4, 3s are 12. 12 centimeters is the area of the triangle. Let's see here, one more problem is given. This is also one of the example. Area and perimeter of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to, formula is half into base into height, and perimeter is sum of the all sides of the triangle. Therefore, find the area and perimeter. No, so first find the perimeter, sum of all sides. So how many sides are there here? Three sides, 1 2 and this one is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is the perimeter of the triangle. Next one, find the area. Area which is equal to half into base into height. Well, because we already know the base and height of the triangle, right? So directly consider area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. In that, half into base is 8 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So cancel these to 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 6 are 24 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Okay, let's see the next example. Area of right angle triangle. I already told you, in the right angle triangle, one side is hypotenuse and remaining two sides are adjacent side and height or altitude, right? So in the right angle triangle, we can directly apply the formula to find the area of triangle as two sides containing the right angle as the base and height, because we are in the right angle triangle, we are already having base and height, right? So in these cases, you can directly use the formula to calculate the area of right angle triangle, that is half into base into height, right? Once we don't know any base or height, then apply the Pythagoras formula. With the help of that Pythagoras theorem, we can easily calculate the one more side, whether it may be base or height. So consider the following figures. Consider the following figure. Base is 5 centimeter. Base is 5 centimeter here, and height is 8 centimeter. So which formula you are going to use here? Area of triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So 8 2 ones are, base is here, base is given 5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 fives are 20 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Next one, area of triangle by Heron's formula. Heron was born in about 100 AD, possibly in an Alexandria in Egypt. His work on mathematical and physical subjects are considered to be an encyclopedic writer in this field. His geometrical works deal largely with problems on mensurations. He has derived the famous formula for the area of triangle in terms of its three sides. With the help of the three sides, we can calculate the area of triangle. What happens in right angle triangle? In right angle triangle, we already know the base and height. So directly by substituting base and height in the formula, half into base into height, we can easily calculate the area of triangle. But if three sides are given, means how you are going to calculate the area of triangle for skeleton triangle or skeleton triangle. Skeleton triangle means in that all three sides are different, right? So for that unequal sides triangle, you can easily calculate the area of triangles by using the formula Heron's. So Heron's formula is here given. Area of triangle which is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where what do you mean by s here? S is the semi perimeter. S is the semi perimeter of the triangle. So area of triangle which is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. In that, s is equal to semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter of the triangle, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter of triangle. For example, if I take here one triangle, the first side is considered as a, second side is b, and third side is c. In that, p is equal to, p means perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the triangle, which is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, sum of the three sides of the triangle. This is perimeter calculating formula, sum of three sides of the triangle. Semi-perimeter means, semi means half, therefore semi-perimeter formula is a plus b plus c divided by 2, or directly we can say that p divided by 2. In that, p is nothing but a perimeter of the triangle. Okay, and remaining area of the triangle, when three sides are different, then we use the Heron's formula. Okay, let's see the next one, the importance of the Heron's formula. What are the importance? Why we can use the Heron's formula instead of the other formulas? This formula is helpful where it is not possible to find the height of the triangle easily. The next one, it is also helpful in finding of area of the quadrilaterals. Okay, so these are the two important features of the Heron's formula. Let's see the introduction of the chapter. Basically, Heron's formula is used to find the area of any triangle on the basis of three sides of length. Once we know the three sides of length, we can easily find the area of that triangle. Heron's formula is equal to, the Heron's formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is a semi-perimeter and a, b, c are the three sides, length of the three sides of the triangle. For the right angle triangles, we already discussed this one. Most of us are aware with area of triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. This formula is only applicable for right angle triangles. Right angle triangles are the triangle in that we need to know about the height of the triangle along with the base length of the triangle. Once we know the base and height of the triangle, then we can easily calculate the area of the triangle by using the formula half into base into height, where b is a base and h is the height, corresponding height of the triangle. See here, one more example is given. Find the area of triangle having sides. What are the three sides are given here already? AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, and CD is equal to 5 centimeter. AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, and CD, it's not a CD, AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Because in that square, in the triangle, we are having three sides, so these two are the two extra terms. Okay, so how we can find the area of the triangle? Let's see here, the three sides, we already know the three sides, length of the three sides of the triangle, that is 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So first find the perimeter of the triangle. How we can find the perimeter of the triangle? So just by adding the length of three sides, p is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So perimeter is equal to 12 means semi-perimeter is half of 12 is, half of 12 is 6 centimeter. And one more thing, when you are going to be represent the perimeters, it should be in terms of centimeters or meters or millimeters or kilometers, but area it should be in the terms of square units. Square units. For example, if you are considering the length in terms of centimeter means, then their area will be centimeter square. If the length is given in terms of meter means, then the area of the particular figure is in terms of meter square. Kilometer means kilometer square. Millimeter means millimeter square. So area is always in represent in terms of square units, whether the units it may be centimeter or millimeter or kilometer or meter. Okay, so see here, as we know that the area of triangle by using Heron's formula, so we already calculated here perimeter and semi perimeter. So S is equal to 6, no? So S is equal to 6, S into square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, right here. So semi perimeter is 6 centimeter. So substitute these data in the formula and calculate. So S into, so formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So semi perimeter is 6 centimeter, S minus 4, 4 is the first side length, S minus 3, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5, and 3 and 5 are the remaining two sides of the triangle. So 6 write as it is, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Therefore 6 into 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, or we can simply write it as 6 into 6, 6 into 6, which is equal to root 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Therefore area of the triangle is 6 centimeter. This is not a centimeter, centimeter square, centimeter square. 6 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. So see the exercise questions. The first exercise question 12.1, first question is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula, we already know square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In that S is semi perimeter and A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle. Given that triangle is an equilateral triangle, if triangle is an equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal, and its perimeter is already given here, 180 centimeter perimeter is already given. With the help of this perimeter we can find the one side length of the triangle. So since all the three sides are equal in equilateral triangle, it means A is equal to B, B is equal to C, right? Therefore semi perimeter is equal to what is that formula? A plus B plus C. Instead we are using here A plus A because all three sides are equal. Therefore S is equal to 3A divided by 2, or so S is equal to 3A divided by 2 means substitute that one in the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is already we know, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute that 3A by 2 in this formula. So 3A by 2, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, again 3A by 2 minus A. So write this 3A by 2 as it is. Now take the LCM of these two. you will get a by 2, a by 2, a by 2. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. What you will get? 3 root of 3a square, sorry, 3a raised to 4 whole divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, right? So square root of 3 into a raised to 4 divided by 16, it can also be written as, by taking the square root outside, the remaining parts are root 3 a square. Once the a raised to 4 come from the square root, it will be changes as a square, right? We already learned in the previous classes square and square roots. So square root of 16 is 4. That's why the area of equilateral triangle, to finding the area of an equilateral triangle, we can directly use the formula, that is square root of 3 into a square divided by 4. Here a is length of one side of the equilateral triangle. Here we already know the perimeter, that is 180 degree. In the equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal, means we need to find the one side length. Just divide 180 by 3, because in the equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. So 3 ones are 3, 6 are, and remaining 1 0 is, it becomes now 60. So one side of length of the triangle is 60 centimeter. Okay, so one side length is 60 centimeter, means substitute this value in the formula. So what is that formula? Already calculated now. Here square root of 3a square divided by 4. Here root 3 write as it is, a square in the place of a square write 60 whole square, because it is a square, no? So that's why I'm writing 60 whole square divided by 4. Here root 3 into 60 square is 6 square is 36, and the square of the single zero is 00 whole divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 9s are, right? So 900 root 3 is the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so total area of the triangle is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now see the second question of the same exercise. First read the question. See the second question. The triangular side wall of flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the wall are 122 centimeter, 22 meter and 12 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So first find the area of the triangle. Once we find the area of triangle, then we can easily calculate the total amount paid by the company for the particular things. Okay, so area of triangle formula is here. Three sides of the triangle is given. Just consider the one triangle here. One side is 122, another side is 120 meter, and the one more side is 22 meter. So add all these three sides, you will get the perimeter of the triangle. So S is equal to A plus, first find the perimeter. First find the perimeter by using the formula P is equal to A plus B plus C. It means 122 plus 120 plus 22. What you will get? 122 plus 120 is 4. So 122 plus 120 plus 22 is equal to 264. This is the perimeter, and semi perimeter is just divide 264. You will get the semi perimeter. 3 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 twos are, right? So 132 centimeter or meter is the meter in terms of meter here given. So 132 meter is the total perimeter of that triangle. Okay, see here. So perimeter is 132. Semi perimeter is 132. No, we already calculated that one. With the help of that, we need to find the area of the triangle. So formula is s into s minus c into s minus b into s minus c. It is under the square root. Therefore s is 132. Substitute that one. 132. Again 132 minus 122. 122 is the first side of the triangle. 132 minus 22. 22 is the second side of the triangle. 132 minus 120. 120 is the third side of the triangle. Okay, this semi perimeter is 132. Okay, next one. So write 132 as it is. 132 minus 122 is 10. Again 132 minus 22 is 110, and 132 minus 120 is 12. Write 132 as it is. 132, and this 110 can also be written as 110 can be written as 11 into 10, right? So here 10 and 10, this 10 is becomes 10 square, remaining 11 and 12. 12 11s are 132. 132 132 into 132 is 132 square. Here 10 into 10 is 10 square. Square and root get cancelled. Here also square and root get cancelled. Remaining what we will get? 132 into 10. So 132 into 10 is 1320. So this is the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Now rent of 1 meter square area for year is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees company should be pay for 1 year, but they want the area for the advertisement for only 3 months. So 3 months, how you can write the 3 months in terms of fractions? 3 by 12. In 12 months, year is consisting 12 months. Out of that 12 months, the company will needs only for 3 months. Therefore multiply the amount for 1 meter square with the 3 by 12. Rent of 1 meter square area, which is equal to 5,000 divided by 12. Rent of 1 meter square area for 3 months. So 5,000 into 3 divided by 12. So divide this one. What you will get? 3 ones are, this is 3 ones are, 3 fours are, so 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 4 threes are, remaining 0. So 5,000 into 330, which is equal to 16 lakh 50,000. Therefore the company should pay 16 lakh 50,000. Okay, let's see the third question. So what it given? There is a slide in the park. One of its side wall has been painted in the same color with the message, keep the park green and clean. So this is the triangular shape which is fixed in the park On that they wrote one statement, that is, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall is 15 meter, 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in green color. So first find, before going to calculate the area of the triangle, first find the perimeter. Perimeter is 15 plus 11 is 15 plus 11 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. Perimeter is 32. If perimeter is 32 means semi perimeter is half of the 32 is 16 meter. Here three sides are given. The sum of these three sides is 32. Sum of the three sides is nothing but a perimeter of triangle, and semi perimeter, which is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, or s is equal to p divided by 2. So half of the perimeter is always semi perimeter. It means s is equal to 16 meter. Once you get the semi perimeter value, then substitute these values in the Heron's formula and simplify. So s is equal to, so area of triangle is equal to s into square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Therefore s value is 16 and remaining three sides are 15 centimeter, 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So substitute all that values. 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 15. 16 write as it is. 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 6 is 10, 16 minus 15 is 1. In that 16 is the perfect square root number, and remaining two numbers, 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are 50, right? So 16 is the perfect square root number, means square root of 16 is 4, and root 50 can also be written as 4 into 25 into 2. In that 4 into square root of 25 is 5, remaining root 2. 4 5s are 20. Root 2 is the area of the triangle. Okay, see the fourth question. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the, and perimeter is given, that is 42 centimeter. Here only two sides length are given. With the help of these two sides we need to find the one more side length, that is c. So perimeter is equal to, what is that formula? A plus b plus c, sum of all three sides. A is equal to 18 and b is equal to 10. What you need to find here? C value. Write this c as it is. Perimeter is already given, that is equal to 42. So 42, which is minus 18 plus 10 is 28. So take this 28 to LHS side, which is equal to c. Now c is equal to 42 minus 28. So 42 minus 28, which is equal to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is the third side length of the triangle. So if perimeter is already given, that is 42 centimeter. If perimeter is 42 centimeter means semi perimeter is half of that, 21 centimeter. So once we find the semi perimeter and three sides length, we can easily calculate the area of the triangle, right? So formula is, we already know the formula. Just substitute s, a, b and c values in the formula. So semi perimeter is 21. 21 minus 18, 18 is the one side length. 21 minus 10, 10 is the second side length, and third side length is, we already calculated c value, that is 14 centimeters. So 21 minus 14. Now write this 21 as it is. 21 minus 8 is 3, and 21 minus 10 is 11, and 21 minus 14 is 7. So how you can write this one? 21 write as it is, root 21 write as it is. 7 3s are 21 into 11. Now 21 into 21, this can be write it as 21 square into 11. Here square and root get cancelled, remaining what we will get? 21 into root 11, 21 into root 11, right? So 21 into root 11 is the area of the triangle. 21 into root 11 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Let's see the fifth question. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So here three sides is not given in direct length, they mentioned their ratios. The three side ratios are in terms of 12 is to 17 is to 25. Perimeter is given, that is equal to 540. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x, which is equal to 540. So by adding all these, what we will get? So 12x plus 17x plus 25x, that is nothing but 54x. Now x is equal to 540 divided by 54. 54 ones are 54 tens are. So x value is 10, means just multiply 10 with 12, 17 and 25. You will get the length of the three sides. 12x becomes 120, 17x becomes 170, 25x becomes 250. Okay, so these are the three sides, length of the three sides of the triangle, and perimeter is already given, that is equal to 540 centimeter. If perimeter is 540 centimeter, means semi perimeter is half of the perimeter, that is equal to 270 centimeter. So let's subtract with the help of the Heron's formula. We need to find the area of the triangle. Here just substitute all that values. 270 is the semi perimeter, and one side is 120, second side is 170, and third side is 250. So 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. So write this 270 as it is. 270 minus 120 is 150, 270 minus 170 is 100, 270 minus 250 is 20. So this 270 can be rated as 27 into 10. Okay, 27 into 10, and 150 can be rated as 15 into 10, and remaining 100, 20 can be rated as 10 into 2 into 10. Here what we will get? 27, 15 and 2. 27, 15 and 2. Remaining, so 27, 270 can be rated as 27 into 10, 150 can be rated as 15 into 10, and 20 can be rated as 2 into 10. Here 27 into 15 into 2 into 10 raised to 5. Again 15 2s are 30, that 30 can also be rated as 10 into 3. So 10 into 3 means we will get one more 10. Now it becomes 10 raised to 6. 27 into 3 is 81, and remaining is 10 raised to 6. So 87 is itself a perfect square number. The square root of 81 is 9, and 10 raised to 6. So square can be rated as 10 raised to 6, which can also write it as 10 raised to 6 whole raised to 1 by 2. Now multiply this one, what you will get? 10 raised to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are, that is equal to 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3 means 1000, right? So 9 into 1000 is 9000 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Next, see the sixth question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides are 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So here two sides is already 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. The total perimeter is 30 centimeter. So just subtract by adding these two, what you will get? 24 subtract from 30, you will get the one more side length, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So if perimeter is 30 centimeter, means semi perimeter is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is the semi perimeter, right? So semi perimeter is 15 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter. Let's find the area of the triangle. Just substitute all that things in the Heron's formula. 15 semi perimeter is 15, one side is 6 centimeter and remaining two sides are equal, that is 12 centimeter. So square root of 15 into 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. So 15 right as it is, 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 and remaining 15 as it is here. 9 into 9 is root 81 into 15, right? So 81 is itself a perfect square number, so we can directly take square root of 81 is 9 and remaining 15 as it is. Therefore the area of the triangle is 9 root 15 centimeter square. So these are the first exercise questions. In the next class we will discuss the second exercise questions. Till then, be happy, have a nice day, thank you, and let's practice these questions. It is purely based on the Heron's formula. Before calculating the area of the triangle, first you should find the perimeter, then semi perimeter. Once you find the perimeter and semi perimeter, you will get the p value, s value and remaining three sides. If two sides are given, means with the help of the perimeter we can find the one more side, right? So like this you need to calculate the area and perimeter of the triangle. In the next class we will discuss about the next exercise of the chapter. Till then, be happy, have a nice day, thank you.